Industry depends on the power of water. Moving and treating the water needed in production uses a significant amount of energy. Water and energy come with a cost, financial and environmental. We need to see the possibilities, because saving water and energy has never been more important. Possibilities that can maximize sustainable growth and minimize environmental impact. Grundfos expertise powers the possibilities of water. From water treatment to cleaning processes, temperature control and optimization services. Our intelligent, integrated and energy-efficient solutions drive industrial processes. Every day, we put water to work for industry, moving, treating, reusing, recycling, and saving water. We see the possibilities in partnerships, helping you get your products to market. We work with industry to develop water and energy solutions for food and beverage, mobility, semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, and renewables. Potentially for all processes in your industry or industrial utility. Intelligent solutions that save water and energy by optimizing your key industrial process and reducing carbon emissions and helping you grow your business. Grundfos. Possibility in every drop.